Apple cider vinegar is consumed all around the world because of its diversity. It can be used in culinary, house cleaning, beauty care, and natural medicine. Have you ever used it? It is easy to find a lot of types of apple cider vinegar in the supermarket, of different brands and price ranges. Recently, we made a video teaching you how to make apple cider vinegar at home, and a lot of questions showed up. Which is the best kind of apple cider vinegar? Is there any difference in their acidity? The acidity we are talking about is nothing more than the acetic acid values found in apple cider vinegar. This is the most important component of vinegar, resultant from the oxidation of the alcohol of fermented fruits during the process of acidification. According to researchers, apple cider vinegar made for consumption should have between 4 to 6% of acetic acid. Acetic acid contributes to good intestinal health and stimulates the good composition of gut microbiota. In this sense, an apple cider vinegar of 6% has a higher concentration of acetic acid. The acidity of acetic acid contributes to reducing the intestinal pH, hindering the proliferation of pathogenic bacteria which have the potential to cause diseases. Besides, reducing the pH levels offers a better absorption of minerals such as iron, zinc, magnesium, and calcium in the large intestine. Some studies suggest that the acetic acid of apple cider vinegar may lead to weight loss in many different ways, since it reduces the blood sugar levels, lowers insulin levels, improves metabolism, reduces the storage of fat and helps burn this fat, and has a satiating effect. However, it is important to observe your tolerance. If you are just starting to consume apple cider vinegar, start with a low dose to adapt your body. Also, always opt for organic vinegar and those in glass bottles. Oh, and when you see a little bit of dirt in the bottom of your bottle, don't worry. It is a vestige of the mother of vinegar, a mucilaginous substance made by acetic bacteria of the Acetobacter genus. The mother of vinegar is naturally formed in any vinegar made of non-pasteurized fermented fruits. Now tell us, did you know these fun facts about apple cider vinegar? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.